All right, so let's review quickly. Now I want to tell you, for human body systems, we went into quite a bit of detail on each of the body systems. For each one, we have a packet of notes. We have all the organs, talked about some diseases and so on. Don't spend a lot of time memorizing all of the organs for your final. Okay? What you really need to know is sort of what the body systems are and what their function is. That's what's most important. So, yeah, that's on there, and we're going to review it right here. So, just to go over a few of the body systems, what they do, and some organs. You don't have to write this down anywhere. This is all in your notes. This is just for me to guide you through. So, respiratory system. Respiratory system is your body's system of taking in air to get oxygen into your blood and to get carbon dioxide out of your blood. Organs include the diaphragm, which is the muscle that allows you to breathe, and then the lungs. The excretory system allows you to get rid of waste from your blood. The things that are poisonous, that if they built up would be dangerous for you. And so your excretory system helps to get rid of those things. Includes the kidneys, urethra, bladder, ureter. Circulatory system includes your heart and blood vessels, and it pumps blood throughout your body, and the purpose of that is to deliver things to your cells, oxygen, vitamins, nutrients, but also to remove waste products from your cells. Reproductive system, its job is to make new organisms. Okay? Includes testes, ovaries, oviduct, vas deferens, all those organs. Skeletal system are your bones, connective tissue. They support your body. They protect vital organs as well, includes the bones and so on. Sydney? Yeah, I didn't have all of them. These are the key ones, though, for your final.
Yeah, we're about the muscular and
It's not there. It's all right. We're going to go over there. And endocrine system is responsible for regulation. It's your glands and your hormones that control basically how your body works. And you have a whole bunch of glands: pituitary, adrenal, pancreas, and so on. So those are the main body systems. You should definitely know what all of these do. For nutrition, you should know how to read a food label like this. You should also know how to calculate calories based on protein, fat, and carbohydrates. Okay? Remember, fats contain 9 calories for every gram. Proteins and carbohydrates contain 4 calories per gram. So when you look at nutrition facts in the label, it will tell you the total amount of fat, total carbohydrates, total protein. Within carbohydrates, there's different types of carbohydrates. Sugars are one, starch is another. But they're both types of carbohydrates.
Oh, that's a
And then vitamins and minerals. They are things that you need in small quantities that your body needs for different functions. And if you don't have enough of certain vitamins or minerals, a person can suffer from a deficiency disease like scurvy or rickets or others. So if we calculate calories in this food, okay, the calories is whited out here, but we need to know how many grams of fat, carbohydrates, and proteins there are. So in the case of fat, there's 16 grams of fat in this food. So to figure out how many calories, you just multiply. 16 times 9 for fat. Okay, that gives us 144. On your final on Friday or in Monday, if you want to bring a calculator, you can, and you can use it. It's not complicated math, but if you find it helpful, you can bring a calculator. It's up to you. Carbohydrates, 4 grams times 4 calories per gram for 16. And then protein, there's 14 grams times 4, which is 56. Add them all up. That gives you the total amount of calories in this food, which in this case is 216 calories. We're not right now. All right, any questions about nutrition? All right, last thing we'll just briefly talk about taxonomy, classification, scientific names, those sorts of things. Remember, there are really 6 kingdoms that we talked about today. They're all listed here. You have plants, We have fungi, animals, we have protists, and bacteria.
It's only 5.
Right.
Archaea?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The one that's missing is archaea. And again, that's one that's often left off. It's a little bit newer. But archaea are those sort of extremophiles, those single-celled organisms that can live in some very extreme conditions.